Hello friends, welcome to Science with me. My name is Dr. Erica. I am so excited that you're here with us. If you're not here with us yet and you haven't joined our classroom, you can always check it out at patreon.com/rosieresearch, which gets you all of our stuff as well as into our Zoom room so you can hang out when we do science together. We are starting off our dissection unit, and no animals will be harmed in this unit unless you fall in love with dissection so much that you want to go get your own stuff at biologyproducts.com. It's an amazing site. They have everything you could possibly want to dissect. But to kick it off, we're going to dissect some gummy bears. So you're going to need gummy bears for this. You need a pair of scissors or a knife that you feel trustworthy with, and then you need our printout for our gummy bear lab. And we are going to learn the words and the terminology that we use when we're talking about our bodies, and that helps everybody communicate a little bit better. So if I say the top of the body, somebody might say, oh, is the top your head or is the top the front? What does that mean? And so we need to make sure that we name things so we can be really specific, and I thought it'd be fun and tasty to do that with some gummy bears. So what we'll do is we're just going to be cutting our gummy bears and placing them on our paper. I'm going to put them both out like this so you guys can probably see them all at once. And I'm going to open this up right here. We'll get started with some gummy bears. All right. So the first thing that we are looking at is our dorsal and our ventral surfaces. So it's sort of the whole front of our body is the dorsal. So you can take one of your gummy bears and you would just put it face up in that little spot so that's the dorsal view. It's heads up, it's looking at us. The ventral is the back of the body, so you can put it like that. Now, if we want to talk about sort of something in the front on the plane of our body, if we want to slice our body in half, going up and down, that's called the frontal plane. And then we have our anterior, which is the front of our body, our chest and the fronts of our legs. And then we have our posterior, which is like our backs and our bones. So you could take your gummy bear and cut it across that frontal plane. All right, so the anterior plane is the half of the body that's on the front, and the posterior is the half of the body that's on the back. The nice one with these is these guys will stick. All right, now we have our prone and our supine positions. Now, you might sleep in the supine position. That's how I sleep pretty much every night. I sleep on my back. So the supine position would be on your back. I guess I'll put this one in green because the supine position is sort of when I'm sleeping on the ventral part of my body. And the prone position is when I'm face down, and I can put my gummy bear face down sleeping like that. So that shows me two cool positions. And then another thing that we might want to talk about is like, is it in the center of my body? Is it sort of towards the side, or is it towards the middle? For example, my heart is towards the middle of my shoulder. So it's towards the middle of my body of my shoulder. My shoulder is towards the side of my heart. So if we wanted to look at that, we could cut our gummy bear in half this way, from top to bottom, from its head to its legs. And we can sort of put them on kind of like this. I think I'm actually going to do two colors to help me see that distinction. Then I can stick the two colors together. And it'll help me remember what those are. So the lateral is when something is going from this center line out towards the side. So lateral is going from anywhere from my center line outwards, and medial is anything from outside going in. All right, so that is a way that I could remember those. I really like the look of that. And then I could eat the extras. All right, so now we have a couple different planes. We can split our body side to side. So while we talked about how medial is maybe from the side towards the center, and the lateral is from the center towards the side, I could also talk about my right side and my left side, and those are the sagittal planes. So I gotta find one that I haven't done yet. Ooh, clear won't show up for you guys. All right, we'll do red. So the mid-sagittal plane is if I cut it right down the center, straight down the middle, is called the mid-sagittal plane. And as I cut that, when I put dexter is the left side of our bodies, and sinister is the right side of our bodies. So I can make this one two-colored as well. So we have our dexter and our sinister sides, which is our left and our right sides of that body, and that's on the mid-sagittal plane. But what if I don't actually cut right down the middle? What if I cut just like an arm or something teeny tiny, so I could cut just a teeny tiny piece, and then I would have the other side of it, so it's no longer down the center. It's still a sagittal plane. It's still sort of cutting down up and down, like to the right and left. But instead of being even, we are unevenly split. There we go. So we have the sinister and the dexter side still, so the same names, the right and the left side, but this time I'm not actually split in half. So the parasagittal is sort of like the almost middle plane. All right, you might be thinking to yourself, Dr. Erica, we have missed something. We have not done top and bottom, right? And our top and bottom is our superior and our inferior. So I can just cut my gummy bear straight in half, kind of at the waist. And the superior is the top, the part that holds the head. And the inferior is the bottom, the part that has the legs. We've got those guys. And now we can also talk about things just like we were talking about from the middle and how we might talk about going towards the side, the lateral view, maybe like from the center towards the side is lateral. What if we want to talk about from the middle towards the top? And that one's cranial, which is kind of easy to remember because a lot of times when we talk about our heads, we talk about our craniums. And then caudal is towards the bottom, towards our feet. So this is sort of very similar to the superior and inferior, except that now we're talking about going towards the top or going towards the bottom. So I could cut the top part of my gummy bear off and going towards the top, even from the feet. If I'm going from the feet up, that's my cranial. And if I'm going from the head down, that's my caudal. And those are some of the different words that we might be using when we talk about anatomy and where things are at on the body. And it's really, really useful because if you talk to anybody and you use these words, everybody will know what you're talking about. And now that you've gotten a preview and you've gotten a tasty treat, maybe when it comes back up again, you'll remember it a little bit better. I hope that you enjoyed our Gummy Bear Lab. We have some exploding flower art coming up as well as some paper dissection projects, so I hope you will join me for those as well. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us on YouTube, and check us out at patreon.com/rosieresearch. Bye, friends.